So even though I have today only 5 minutes, I am excited to share with you how the role of a test engineer is changing in our company. Our industry is developed so fast, it demands from a test engineer to obtain more skills. That's why our company is focused on developing a T-shaped test engineer. What it means? It means that test engineer will have not only deep knowledge of testing, but as well a broad understanding of other areas, such as development, operations, business, and so much more. Actually, there is a pretty big list. As a part of becoming T-shaped specialists, our test engineers are trying and adapting DevOps methodologies to testing workflows. And how do they do that? Of course, they start from learning. And our company offers so much and so many courses on platforms like Coursera and Percipio. Of course, as well, we have internal trainings which are led by our expert colleagues. And we have possibility to visit a lot of conferences and as well to read internal newsletters with the new updates. As an example, I myself completed an internal course which is called DevOps School, where we've learned the basics of CI/CD as a GitLab as a CI/CD tool, Docker, Kubernetes, and working with AWS. And after that, I was able to integrate some of these practices in the testing. And of course, as the testers learning these skills, they are trying as they can, because sometimes it's not that fast, to integrate it into the daily routine. And I would say that having this knowledge is actually really helps and gives you more flexibility with the testing and better understanding of infrastructure where your app is running. Another key area we are focusing on nowadays is to integrate the practices working with AI in our daily routine. It helps us to get rid of some unneeded routine daily tasks, as well with the creation of test documentation, and sometimes even gives you code suggestions how to improve your code. And the most popular tools which we're using in our company, there are actually much more of them, which are being developed even inside the company, but we used internal ChatGPT, which is called Mate, and of course GitHub Copilot, which suggests you some code ideas or just writes some routine tasks for you. But however, the practice shows that AI is not that all-powerful, so to gather real-life experience working with AI, our colleagues established AI for testing and AI for coding communities, which have regular calls where we discuss limits, advantages, and disadvantages of AI, the proper areas and usage where you can apply in your real project. So you can discuss with your colleagues and gain some knowledge much faster. As well, these communities have internal newsletters from which you can learn what are upcoming events inside and outside company, and as well some new trends which you can follow and learn some new tools. And in conclusion, I would like to say that while some of us already started our way in adapting DevOps and AI in our testing strategies and methodologies, not everybody started, they're just starting. And we would like to stay up to date with the new technologies, and we will continue learning and adapt them into our daily work. So thank you for your attention, and I'm happy to answer your questions if there are any.